So let's see, on the next one, we have initial values of 150 or 100. And by looking up here, you can tell that we would need one with 150. So that would be, looks like 2 or 4. And then 2 is increasing, 4 is decreasing. And because this is 0.7, less than 1, we want to choose the decreasing one. So it looks like 4. And you guys did well there. 50% increase, that represents 150% of what you had before. So you'd multiply that 150% times 150%. You actually end up with 225% of what you had before, which would be 125% increase. So you can't add the percent increases on there. Most of you did well with that. And yeah, some of you went on and kind of showed this other stuff too and showed what the percent increase would be. Having 10 to the negative k, I think we talked about that in class before the tests that day. And so that's just 1 over 10 to the k power. So it's still going to be greater than 0. And that's one of the reasons you can't have logs of negative numbers, because you never have the result being negative. On changing this from, let's see, from exponential form to log form, the base is e, so we'll do natural log. And you take the log of the result, and what you take the log of, the result is, in log form, it's the exponent. So this would be natural log of b equals 2a. And on the last one, I'd put the hint, rewrite this in exponential form. Some of you took, raised both sides to the power of 10, and that got you to the same place. On here, if you change this to exponential form, this would be 10 to the second power equals t minus 470. So if you add 470 to both sides, you get 575 to put in for t to make that a true statement. And you could go ahead and check that out. So, any of these that you want to look closer at?